How to create an interlocking letter logo in Canva. Hi, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create an interlocking letter in Canva. So this is a step-by-step beginner guide for everyone to follow easily. If you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So right now I'm in a blank page right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the text section and I'm gonna add a letter. So first, I'm going to add the letter B. All right, and we are going to simply resize this one. As you have noticed, I already have a preset letter B on the second page, which we will be using in a while. So here, I am going to resize it to 540. So there, I'm going to simply put it and reposition it in the way I like to. And then after which, we are going to simply duplicate this letter. So once the letter has been duplicated, what we are going to do next is that we're going to change the duplicated letter to another letter that we would want to interlock with B. Say for example, we want to interlock it with the letter D. Now I'm going to put it in the first part here, and there you have it. Now next process that I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna change the color of the letter B, and instead of black I'm gonna use a yellow color. Alright, there you have it. Now as you can see, we have D and B all together already, but that's not the end of the process yet. So in a separate page, what you're going to do is to simply make a duplicate of the letter B and save it onto your file. Now go to the upload section and upload that specific photo. Let's go back to our first page. Now here in the first page, what we're going to do is to simply resize it accordingly. And we're going to simply make it the same position as the letter B we have. Okay, now I'm going to simply resize, and I'm just gonna make use of the half of the photo that I have saved a while ago. Now for the letter B letter, I'm going to send it forward. Let's send it backward once more. And for the picture image that we have downloaded, let's reposition it accordingly, and we will be placing it forward instead. Let's send it to front. All right, there you have it. Now let's resize it. And there you have it. Okay, now once it has been resized, make sure that all's good and everything's been interlocked. So that's how you can create an interlocking letter in Canva. I hope you find this tutorial helpful, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Bye!